Ever since AI started writing poems and creating art, we've all been wondering, how smart is it really? We've seen it beat grandmasters at chess and Go, but could it ever match or even surpass human intelligence across the board? Well, the moment we've been waiting for might just be here. A recent groundbreaking study put the latest AI model, GPT 5.2, to the test against human IQ. And the results are about to change everything you thought you knew about artificial intelligence. So, what exactly happened? A team of cognitive scientists and AI researchers designed a comprehensive test far beyond your standard online quiz. This wasn't just about crunching numbers or recalling facts. They included sections on abstract reasoning, emotional intelligence, creative problem solving, and even moral dilemmas. They gathered a diverse group of 1,000 human participants, all from different backgrounds and with varying levels of education, to establish a human baseline. Then they unleashed GPT 5.2 on the exact same set of challenges. The initial results were impressive but not entirely shocking. In logical reasoning and mathematical problems, GPT 5.2 performed at the level of the top 1% of human participants. It processed complex datasets and identified patterns with a speed and accuracy that was simply beyond human capability. We've seen this kind of performance before with other models, but this was on another level. But the real surprise came from the sections we always thought were uniquely human. When it came to creativity, the AI was tasked with some really interesting challenges. For example, it had to invent a new color and describe it to someone who is colorblind. It also had to write a short story in the style of three different authors, blended together seamlessly. The evaluators, who were professional artists and writers, were stunned. They noted that GPT-5.2's creations weren't just technically proficient. They showed a spark of what they could only describe as genuine originality. It wasn't just mimicking, it was creating. But the most mind-bending part of the entire experiment was the emotional intelligence and moral reasoning test. The AI was presented with complex social scenarios and ethical dilemmas with no clear right or wrong answer. It had to explain its reasoning, considering the feelings and perspectives of everyone involved. In one scenario about allocating limited resources in a crisis, its response was judged to be more compassionate and ethically sound than the average human response. It demonstrated a nuanced understanding of empathy that researchers previously thought was impossible for a machine. So, what does this all mean? Did GPT 5.2 officially beat human IQ? The study's authors are careful to say it's not that simple. Intelligence is incredibly complex, but this benchmark has redefined the boundaries of what AI can achieve. It's no longer just a tool for calculation. It's becoming a partner in creativity and even a guide in ethical consideration. This isn't the beginning of a robot takeover. Instead, it's the dawn of a new era of collaboration, where human ingenuity is amplified by artificial intelligence. The future is going to be a very interesting place. What do you think about these results? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into our amazing future.